comprises of three parts. One is there are some quintessential items in the menu which is related to Hilsa and you just cannot change that. Things like Bhaja Ilish, Sorse Ilish, these are, you just cannot think anything out of that. Then there are some popular items which were very popular earlier wise, which was a new introduction at that time, but now it has again come back, like Ilish finger, Amtel Ilish. This year we have given something new called Mochar Ilish. So this is what is new in our menu this time.
We did this festival previously also, even last year we did it. See, compared to the fish, if you say, which is queen of fish, what Mr. Anjali described on the menu itself, it doesn't require much of experiment. The fish itself is such a tasty fish. And we have curated the same menu, which was trial and tested last year. Apart from that, we have added a thali, which is a Hilsa thali, and a meal box for two. Prior to that, it is the Hilsa fish finger, the boneless Ilish, the kumro pata amachari Ilish. These are the most hot selling dishes of Calcutta.